Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up critical files and ensuring you have admin access. This is essential because you will change firmware settings. Once ready, hold Shift and click Restart from the Power menu to enter Recovery. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options UEFI firmware settings so you actually reboot into BIOS/UEFI. If that path isn't available, go through Settings Recovery Advanced Startup. This gets you directly into the interface where Secure Boot lives, so you can proceed safely. You'll now scan the UEFI menus. Look under Security, Boot, or Authentication, because manufacturers place Secure Boot in different spots. Once you find Secure Boot, pause to note its current state and any key management options. This tells you whether keys are enrolled and may affect booting. If the Secure Boot setting is grayed out, set a supervisor or administrator password in UEFI. This unlocks advanced options. Make sure to record any changes you make so you can reverse them if needed. You disable Secure Boot by selecting Disabled, then choose Save and Exit so firmware writes the change. Once Windows restarts, open Run, type msinfo32 and check Secure Boot state to confirm it reads Disabled. This verifies success. If the system fails to boot after disabling, don't panic. Reboot into UEFI and either re-enable Secure Boot or use the Restore Defaults option. That often clears misconfigured keys. If problems persist, restore your backup and consult your PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.